Well, good morning, guys, and welcome to the show. It is early. We are at Knowledge Fest Las Vegas 2022, and we have a car behind this curtain that we're going to take a look at. Now, if you followed the show, you know the guy that made it. His name is Oscar. He's not here today, but I have Casey from Morel, and he's going to tell us all about it. We're going to hop inside. We're going to listen to it. We're going to have a great time. But let's go meet up with Casey and have him tell us all about it. Good morning, Casey. Thank you for coming out.
Good morning, Dean.
How you doing?
I'm doing well. A little early, but we'll make it through this.
I know we will. We're pretty excited to talk about this car. As we all know, I'm like, I think #1 Morel fanboy. So, you know, cool there. Oscar did an awesome install, and he's not here. You get the honor of telling us all about it.
Fantastic. We have here our new amplifiers that we're showing off for the first time. It's our new 45th anniversary limited edition amplifiers. And we have 3 of our 2 channels and then 1 of our mono blocks in here. And then as you can see, we also have a 12-inch Ultimo titanium SC subwoofer. This isn't a vented enclosure, very discreetly done. Performance is absolutely amazing, which, Dean, you'll have a chance to review that in a minute here.
There. Is that the woofer with the 5.1-inch voice coil?
That is, but that's our mid-level woofer. It is a great sounding, great output, just a really stellar performing driver.
Tell me a little bit about the 45th anniversary amplifiers.
We really took out all the stops in terms of the development of those amplifiers. Morel being a sound quality first company, really important that we had a amplifier that could produce the same quality that our speakers are producing in terms of performance. We've done things that in terms of the equipment that we use or the parts that we use inside the amplifiers are definitely a level up from what we use in our standard MPS amplifiers. Overall, the result is just really great sound quality. In this system, it is all active and we are using a DSP. So behind this panel, there's a Helix processor. Other than that, it's pretty simple, and when we get inside, I can show you the setup there as well.
Let's hop inside, man. So what speakers are we running inside of here?
We have our Elate Carbon Pro 93A set, and that consists of the Elate Alto tweeter, which is a large format tweeter. Up in the dash in the corners, there's actually spots for our 3.5-inch Elate Carbon MM3s. And then in the doors, there's actually a 9-inch driver, and that's our Elate Carbon MW9. It's quite amazing what this does in terms of performance for a vehicle, having this big 9-inch driver up front.
Yesterday when I was walking around, Jeff Smith, sure, he had just gotten out of I can see now. He just got out of the car and he just kind of like nodded his head and he goes, those 8, or he called them 8s because why would they be 9s?
Most people do.
He was like, dude. And I was like, yeah. He goes, yeah. I was like, awesome. And I'm pretty excited too because I don't think we've done a car with that speaker in it. I know there was a couple that they wanted us to do it in, and it was like we just couldn't get it to fit.
Well, this is this Tesla Model 3 is amazing for sound. Just the positions of the speakers and the fact that it will accommodate a big driver in the door. It's pretty phenomenal, and I think you'll see that when you get a chance to listen to it here, Dean.
Did he do any rear fill in this?
No rear fill.
Just all front stage?
Just all front stage and sub.
Ooh.
I think you'll probably agree afterwards. No rear fill needed.
Let's not think about it. Let's just hop to the demo, man. All right, guys.
Let's do it.
So we're going to listen to a couple songs. You're, of course, going to get small clips of them just to get an idea of what the song is we're playing. And then in the end, we'll come back and play some DRM-free music in an extended version so that you guys can compare it to previous cars that we've done. Let's do it.
Give it all to you.
This car getting here, it had to get trucked in from Texas, and then it had to be tuned here on the floor. It was a struggle to get here for sure. Jack from Audio Systems helped you out?
Yes, he did. After I broke a mic stand, he came in and saved the day with his mic stand and a little tuning assistance as well.
Sounds great.
But always good to have a good hand and good ears, you know.
And to have somebody that travels around with a mic stand in the back of their car. What the heck, man? Oh my gosh, what a nerd. I love
Prepared
that
for
guy.
anything.
No doubt. Okay, so those big, giant, sexy dome tweeters up in the dash. When we talk about these speakers, we always talk about like softer than hard, but natural, but equally as loud. The difference between, let's say, this price point and those, like, oh my God, these things are so, and they're just so awesome. I mean, it's so sexy. There's no doubt about it. It makes me feel bad that I haven't put it in my car yet. 'Cause it's like, damn it, I could have this in my car. It sounds incredible, guys. I know I'm a fanboy, but I've heard enough cars this weekend. I've saved this one for last, as you saved the best for last. And oh my gosh, I was really excited to get to come and listen to this. I'm super excited. I got to call Oscar and tell me he did a great job. And of course, next time I talk to Jack, I'll let him know, you know, he can continue to do what he does because he did a good job. If you guys need your cartoons and you're out in California, go see Audio Systems.
Absolutely.
He did a good job. And of course, Oscar's down in Texas, Dallas, right?
Yeah, Dallas area.
Jay's 10. This is awesome. I mean, I don't know what else to say. I really don't. Are you happy with it?
It's pretty phenomenal.
Thank you so much for watching these videos that we've been doing from Knowledge Fest. This has been awesome. Thanks, Casey.
Thanks for stopping by, Dean.
Thank you, Natasha. Oh. You guys have a great day as always. We'll see you later next time. Bye.